So we're gonna put some LEDs up just to give it some light in here because it's been getting dark pretty early. You can't really tell, but it's fairly dark. And my plan is, so I have this left over from another job I did in a club, but this stuff you can see here is, it's a tubing, it's hollow inside. It has some backing and this translucent type covering on it. And I got these LEDs. They're a warm white. I get my LEDs from Solid Apollo. They're definitely more expensive on Solid Apollo than on Amazon, but they're way better quality. So I have just one spool, which is the 15 feet or 3 meters, whatever. And this one actually has a connector on it. So I'm waiting from Amazon. I bought a transformer, just a 50 watt. I probably could have gone higher considering these are 48 watts for this spool, but whatever, it was cheap. I think it was like $28. It was supposed to come in yesterday. It's still not here, so that's kind of why I'm waiting, but it's really slowing me down in the progress of this project because, as you can see, well, you can't see from the video, but it's getting kind of dark in here. And so my plan is on this bar that goes across the top here of the tent of the carport, I'm basically going to put that LED strip across the edge. And then I even have, I'm just going to use some zip ties to do that. I have some white ones, so it'll blend in with the ridiculous white inside of this place. And then I also have a dimmer. The transformer I got is dimmable. I'm pretty sure these are dimmable, but we'll test it when I get it. And we'll get the dimmer on there, and then I'll just have like a light switch on the wall so that we can get some light in here that I can work, basically through the night and get this project moving quicker than not. But yeah, as you can tell, the floor is all done. It's a little sticky because things have been wet. Don't ask me why I chose this chocolate brown, but I did. And then as you can see, the gap on the bottom, I still need to build like a 1 or 2 foot wall that I'm going to put along this wall and that wall just to keep it dry in here for the time being. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get these LEDs up. I'll show you what that looks like when that's all done, and then we'll get going on the power rack, which I bought all the wood for. And what else? Oh, then I got to make the cement weights also. And yeah, so we'll go from there. So as I'm hanging the lights, the sun goes down, and then Amazon shows up with the transformer. So plugged it in, and it is hella bright. So this is the transformer that I'm using. It was like $28. It's a 50 watt dimmable LED driver, so I will be splicing in a dimmer, one of these. Let's see, just a basic dimmer. So I'll splice that in so that I'll have an on-off switch plus a dimming situation. And yeah, it's super bright. So I've just ran this up. It has a connector, and so did my LEDs. And as you can see, I just have the strip that I fed that LED through, and there's a let's see if you can see it, but basically there's a shield here so it softens the light. And then I pointed it up for most of the part just with some basic tie wraps. Like I said, I just need light in here so that I can, let's back out, so that I can start working. And there is definitely enough light to start working, and it's probably because it's all white in here, but that's just one LED strip. You can buy them on Amazon, but I get them off of Solid Apollo. And that shielding is nice because you can actually look right at it without it hurting your eyes. And so that's going to be the story for my LED light. Just quick setup. Looks like I have to snip this tie, but yeah, I just put a tie like every, 12 inches. Like I said, this is nothing final. This is just something to get light up so I can start working.
If you are a fan and want to help support my channel or any of the projects that I do, check out my Patreon page. There are different tiers of support starting at $5 and it goes up from there, all with different benefits. You can also check out our apparel shop at TheBevyVIP.com/store. We also have an Amazon wish list of items that I want to add to the build, and also a Cash.app link in the description below. If you are a model or just someone who is planning to sign up to OnlyFans or AVN Stars, use our links in the description below when you sign up. You don't lose any money when you use our links, but we get a small kickback from the platform if you become successful. We offer some benefits when you sign up through us. If you are in the San Francisco Bay Area and you want some professional photos or videos taken of you for free, maybe for your Instagram or your OnlyFans or AVN accounts, or even just for a Tinder account, then send me an email at marcus@TheBevyVIP.com and we can set something up. I'm always looking for new models to collaborate with to build my new portfolio. I appreciate your support because most platforms like YouTube demonetize my content due to its nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. This is Marcus. Be healthy, play safe, and good night.